country. And our final question.
Devon Tackels, Students for Sensible Drug Policy. Director Kerlikowske, you have said, quote, you have ended the war on drugs. And with respect, sir, you work with an administration that is continually arresting 1.5 million people in the U.S. annually for drugs. And this policy has been pushed on the Mexican government, which has led to 60,000 deaths there. And you can call it a war, you can call it a third way, but when you have deaths like this and acts of violence like this, it still very much feels and looks like a war. So my question is, when is the U.S. drug policy actually going to end the war on drugs, and in both word and deed? Thank you.
Well, I think what I've always mentioned is it's a mistake to call it a war on drugs because it lends itself to a simplistic solution to what we all know is a very complex problem. Most of the law enforcement in the United States that's done on drugs is done at the state and local level. It is clearly not done by the federal level. And I don't think if you, when you read and listen to the speeches that President Calderon has given, that it's because of the United States that that his administration has taken on criminal cartels within that country. It's going back to what I originally said in his conversation with me, which was that the safety and security of the country belongs to the people who are elected and their representatives. It doesn't belong to organized crime groups that are engaged in multifaceted criminal enterprises, not just drug trafficking.
I want to thank all of you for being an attentive audience this morning, and especially thank Director Gil